cinnamon mandazis. I've just put on oil to get hot, and I'm going to put onions here to cook. I want to stir them. Kitungu has cooked. I've just added pilau masala and garlic. We want to put now the tomatoes. You can use tomatoes or tomato puree. Yes. This is the paste. I've added tomatoes. Now it has a paste. You want to add the rice. Just added water and rice to let it cook for some time, for like 30 to 40 minutes. As I prepare for the kachumbari. These are my rollers for dough rolls. I'm just making some ngumu or mandazi, whatever they are called. You see the way they are turning golden brown. I had done the dough few minutes ago. Oh my God, I'm just celebrating here. This is the final product of Rolls-Loise cinnamon mandazi. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the food content that is upcoming. I'm using Jiko, and there is like a friend of mine that is there. She's called Caro. Caro, can you say hi? And Laban. Today we are cooking pilau and kachumbari, with the accompaniment is cinnamon mandazi. So, okay, that's it.